A new kind of revolution is quietly reshaping the future, one plastic at a time. Right here in the heart of Nigeria, our mission is to turn waste into fortune. We're already achieving this by transforming plastic waste into valuable raw materials. This is Ablettmax.
What comes about this recycling company is to save our environment from waste and to turn it into virgin materials for use to the public.
In Nigeria today, plastic waste is everywhere, from plastic bottles in the streets to sachets clogging waterways. It has become one of Africa's biggest environmental challenges. However, at Ablettmax Recycling, every piece of plastic is an opportunity to create jobs, protect our communities, and build a cleaner future. Here at Ablettmax, different types of materials are collected and processed. This includes a lot of familiar items you see every day, such as soft drink bottles, oil kegs, and regular household products. Instead of ending up in landfills or polluting our rivers, these plastics begin a new life. Right here.
There are various of product materials that we do recycle here. Part of it is PET materials and the HDPE materials, and also PP materials. First, we procure the raw materials from outside, and once it goes to the factory here, it goes through a sorting process whereby they need to sort the materials, the PET materials different, the HDPE different, and that of the PP materials also separate. Then from there, it comes in to the factory for crushing process. In that sorting process, you need to remove the labels, the caps, then comes to the crusher machine for crushing and washing, then to the dryer machine, then it dry it off, then it turns to a final product.
After the process is complete, these plastics can be reused to create plastic chairs and tables, fiber for clothing, or even new bottles. Each recycled piece reduces waste and gives plastics a second life, proving that nothing truly is a waste when handled with purpose.
We come together to make sure that things work. It's not a one-man affair, it's a team affair. And everybody must work together to make sure things move. We try to turn waste into fortunes. And by so doing, we make our society clean or cleaner by the day. Because even now, people are going about picking pure water bags, those sachets. So it makes our society cleaner by the day, and it puts food on the table of some other people too. In the recent past, discovered that waste fields are drained and makes erosion to destroy a lot of things. But now, a lot of people take pain to go there because they know that it is money. It's going to bring them money. So it's a sort of income to other people and makes our society cleaner. So what more can we ask?
By reducing waste, we help keep neighborhoods cleaner. By creating jobs, we empower local families. And by educating the next generation, we inspire a culture of responsibility. Ablettmax Recycling has become more than a factory. It's part of the community.
It's been over 3 years since the company started here. We've never had any problem with them. They have shown themselves to be very kind and generous to our community, whether it's providing food, water, or offering jobs to our youth who are useful and are without work. We are privileged to ask for help from the company. Despite the challenges we face in the country, they are willing to help us. The people of this community are given jobs, and at the end of the month, they are paid their wages. The relationship between the company and the community has been good. ever since we asked for light and water, despite being aware of the challenges they would face. They provided us with a clean water supply that even our children have access to. The water is clean and drinkable. They also provided us with solar power, still showing us appreciation at the end of every year with gifts like palliatives, money and livestock.
Machines alone cannot make this vision real. Behind every process are men and women dedicated to making recycling work. The sorters who carefully separate materials, the engineers who keep the machines running, and the security team who protect our facility. They are more than just workers. They are heroes eager to change the world.
My name is Esther. I work as a checker. We work with the machines to remove the labels from the bottles. Once we're done, we make sure the area is cleaned up, especially by collecting the bottle covers.
My name is Adewale Adelam. I'm a weighbridge operator at Ablettmax Recycling Company. My role here as a weighbridge operator, I take the measurement of the materials, which is PET and PP material. I scale them appropriately.
I've been working here for over 10 months. What I like about the company is how they provide us with transportation, both to work and back into town. They also provided us with accommodation.
And I also like the job. It helps the environment, it keeps the environment clean.
My name is Wale Fonyaolu. I'm a maintenance technician in the Ablettmax industry. I've been working for 3 years now. First, we consider safety first in this industry. My responsibility is to be in charge of maintenance of all the machines, both the conveyor, the label remover, the grinder, washing machine, the centrifugal, and all appliances, equipment we are using here. We are one in family. With the situation and the service of the company, anything we ask for concerning the progress of the company, they normally give us in time, especially based on maintenance. This is just the beginning. I want us to expand. So if we have like 10 machines, then our production will increase. Basically,
In a week, we'll recycle 15 to 20 tons in a week. In a month, we'll recycle 80 tons plus. In a month.
To me, presently, what we need from people to encourage us to be through financial aspect and moral aspect to support us so that we will not be discouraged of what we are doing here presently.
With every bottle recycled, with every container reused, we move closer to a sustainable Nigeria. We believe change is possible. One bottle, one community, one family at a time. Join us in recycling for the future, here at Ablettmax Recycling.